Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Dreamin Diesel. We are officially on the way to UCC. Yeah, Vaughn over there driving.
What's going on?
What's going on, guys? In the L5P Duramax, the Dirty Max. Yeah, and now we're in traffic. Great.
Great.
Yeah. Now on the way, I've probably been going for a half hour now.
Yeah.
Roughly. Yeah. It's about a 5-hour drive for us from Northeast Ohio to Indy. 5-6 hour drive. So it is 5 o'clock now. I don't know. Hope maybe will we get there by 9?
No.
No.
9.
I don't know.
No.
Not gonna make it by 9, huh? Okay, we'll be there before 10, hopefully. But
I want to get there before 11.
you think it'll take that long?
It's 5 hours. 5 hours is 10.
Well, yeah, whatever.
Sorry, I just ruined your video.
No, it's good.
Oh!
What?
L5P with a horse trailer!
We got an L5P, brother.
Oh, nice. Back
Where?
yonder. Back yonder.
Oh, hold on. Oh, I can't see. Listen. Oh, there it is.
Nice.
See, you got the hood scoop.
She's a big Chevy, though.
L5P Chevy. The L5P brethren is what they're called, apparently. I don't know. Or the queer groups, but
Fairy fuckers.
see, now here we got a nice 2017 Trooper Duty. Nice truck, man.
Trooper duty.
Trooper Duty, yeah. Trooper Duty. Well, this sucks. I'll start, I don't know. We're in traffic. Alright, finally get through some traffic. We are at the land, CLE. Cruising through. Made it through traffic, that's about it. We can see what this old L5P Duramax has. Oh god, nope. No, we're not. Land. Indians game tonight? No.
Yeah.
Is there one?
I don't know.
No, I don't think so. God, there's still traffic. Don't eat that bumper there. Woo!
What's that? Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Oh, we're gonna need that.
I know. That's
You,
what I
you
brought.
got the good stuff or not?
I don't know. 50.
No, I got 70. I knew I should grab
70?
it.
What are
Yeah.
you, a white pasty guy?
Yeah, 70, man.
I normally like 30.
Yeah, no, 70 is good stuff. Dirty Max. Got them towing mirrors. Look at that. See, the towing mirrors are out all the way. See?
Would you like me to put them in? Let me push my
Hang on.
button here.
Hang on. Let me help you. No. Here, that's better. Okay, they're folding in now. What do you got?
Why not push it back out? Put it like that.
There. Hi, guys. So, we're finally moving. What are we doing, 60?
Almost.
Wow. Are we gonna go skirting in and out of traffic? Is that what we're gonna do?
It's a little tight.
A little tight.
A little tight.
Oh, I see brake lights. We're gonna stop again.
Probably good.
I want to see what this L5P's got. Oh, we got an opening here.
We got traffic.
Through traffic.
We can do one get on the freeway.
I know. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we gotta make a quick pit stop out in Westlake for work-related purposes. Real quick. Then we'll be on the way for sure. All right, finally leaving Westlake. Getting on the freeway. We're gonna see what this L5P's got. Not that you're gonna hear it, but. Alright, so yeah, finally on the road here, just leaving Westlake. What time we got?
6:40.
6:40, nice and late. We're gonna be pulling in, you know, probably 11 o'clock, but whatever. Alright, so yeah, we are in Vaughn's 2018 GMC 3500 HD. Dirty Max. The L5, we got the L5P Duramax. How many miles we got on it? What do we got? 12?
Almost 13,000.
13,000 getting her broken in. And
Yeah.
how long have you had it? What? 5 months? 4 months?
4 or 5 months. Yeah.
4 or 5 months. Getting her broken in.
Yes.
Putting the miles on it. Yeah, that's for sure. Absolutely.
Work truck, plow truck.
Work truck, plow truck. I don't know. We got some 20% window tint. You know, you can kind of tell the difference there. We got 20% on the windows. Our front windows, 50% on the windshield with a nice brow. What else we got? We got a tonneau cover back there.
Yep.
That probably about sums it up. What else we got? Well, we got a S&B cold air intake.
We do. Oh yeah. You feel the power.
Adding them extra horses and them extra ponies there, you know. If it's pretty quick, I think so. He says it's not fast enough.
Getting used to it.
It's definitely not loud enough. You definitely, no. They need to figure out tuning and deletes for this thing real quick. Oh, what else we got? Anything else? Nah, that's about it for now, huh?
Edge.
Pretty much stock. Oh yeah, we got Edge CTS2 for a monitor.
That's about it, really.
About it. I don't think
Nothing too special. Yeah.
nothing yet. Definitely needs wheels and tires and a lift of some sort.
Oh, that's coming.
Nothing too crazy, but it's, you know, he plows with it, so he can't get too crazy with it. I'll probably show you what the thing looks like once we get there. But
It is a regular cab long bed.
regular cab long bed.
Nice green.
Nice green.
Dark green.
Yeah, it's pretty dark green. Yeah, it's a work truck, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Got the Western plow there. Got the big old how is that thing? Wide out.
Wide out.
Yeah, wide out. 10 foot wide. Big one. Well, yeah, we're gonna be cruising in this thing. Doing 85 the whole way, you know.
You better believe. Probably 80.
No, we'll be moving. All right, still going. So it is 9 o'clock now. It's dark now. Sorry I didn't really get any video earlier. Wasn't quite feeling like filming. But we are cruising now. What are we at? 85. We're doing 85? 85.
Yes,
We're
sir.
getting like 16 miles to the gallon now.
I think so.
I believe. Hang on.
Oh, 15.7.
15.7. No good. I ended up on some back roads. We are in Indiana now. We're getting closer in Indiana. Looks about the same. But we're moving. All right, yeah, in Indiana, about 2 hours left. We're hanging in there. right, here we go. Finally made it. Pulling up to the Holiday Inn. I think we got some fellow UCC guys floating around. It's no till 6. Where you going? No, it's back here. Is it? What time is it? Oh, just before 11. 10:58. Right on time.
Big drop.
Big ditch. We're a little tired, but not bad, really. Oh, there it is. Holiday Inn. Any parking spots?
Where are we gonna park? Oh, is there one right there?
Oh, looky there. Yeah, we made it. How long was that, you think? 5 hours?
Yeah, probably.
About 5 hours.
That's not bad. It's about
Not too bad. All right, finally made it. I'll probably show you the Duramax in the morning, but we're gonna go check into the hotel and probably get some sleep so we can get up in the morning. So, all right, we'll check back in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's a little windy, but about 8:30, we're heading off to UCC. Here's the Vaughn's Duramax. Green, pretty much stock. L5P. Yeah, looks good. We got Vaughn all ready to go. Morning. Morning. Alrighty, so we're taking off, heading to UCC. So, yeah, probably gonna wrap this video up here. I'll probably start a new one for once we actually get to UCC. So, thanks for watching, guys. Next one you'll see, so hopefully see some UCC coverage. So, should be a good time. Alright, I'll see you guys later.